Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How are you doing today? So recently a guy called me and I picked up a huge truckload of really nice quality trade stimulators, this being one of them. So what I've decided to do with this load, I got about 50 of them. This is a 1935 Pace New Deal trade stimulator. What we did is we brought it in. Jaime did this, he's doing them for us, he's doing a great job. Say hello, Jaime, over there, say hi.
Hey, what's going on?
There he is, let's get him in the shot. So what we're doing, instead of knocking them all down and polishing them all up, we're just taking them and completely service and detail. So we're washing off all the old cigarette smoke, all the old grime, we're wiping them down, making them look good, then we're cleaning them with some nice, real fine steel wool, give them a little bit of shine on them. Then we're going over, and what we're doing is we're repainting them with the original colors. So everything you see here was factory. As you can see, the machine looks good. We're doing something, they're really a nice load. This particular machine is a card machine, and here's your award card. If you line up the cards, you will get the payout, which you see here. This is a really cool one. Not that many of them have it, but this has a physical jackpot. Now you could put anything in this. You could put a silver dollar, you could put a $5 bill. I filled it full of mixed coins. The nice thing about this machine is it's penny through quarter. Some of them are only penny, some are penny nickel, some are penny nickel dime quarter. This is penny through quarter. So what that meant was that anybody could come in here and they could play any denomination with the change in their pocket. Then you would get paid accordingly. If you paid a quarter, you would get the times the award in quarters. What we're going to do is we're going to give this a little shot here. See, I played a quarter in it. Boom, right? Now what we're going to do is I'm going to show you over here. Here's my quarter, and that's how the operator knew what you played in it. So if you hit a winner, you would get it in quarters. So I'm going to knock it off. Then he would knock it off. The game goes on. Now we're going to play the nickel. Now our nickel is laying there if you play a penny or a dime, so on and so forth. Okay, so here's your nickel. Here's your button back here. You push it, knock it off. Guy pays you. Game goes on. The other thing about this one particularly here is this just opens up and then the guy would just simply dump out the money in your hand. So it's really cool. It has a physical jackpot in it if you win. I'm going to show you, it's got a nice back door on it. This is where you put your gumballs in. Okay, beautiful, very clean inside. Super, super nice. Put a nice new lock in it. Now the other thing that I didn't mention to you that I'm going to, every time you played this machine, you could get a gumball. Now, when I send this out to you, I will include the gumball so you can put them back in there. We typically take them out. Just click back. I got 6. I got a pair of 4s. Does nothing. There's your gumball. Here's your award card. Beautiful. Once again, this is kind of a factory. It is a factory paint job. It's all cleaned up. It's all shiny. It's got a jackpot. Works on penny, nickel, dime, quarter. Absolutely great piece. Let's give it another shot here. Jeff's giving me the do it again look. There we go. Nice, nice little machine in great condition. Anyway, whoever gets this, we'll box it up, get it out. And I'd also like to say thank you for all of you folks who watch our videos. You chime in. We hear from you on a daily basis. You keep watching them. We'll keep making them. We like doing it, and you like watching them. I hope you're getting some good information out of them. Thanks for your time.
These are antiques. These are mantiques. Antique, mantique. These guys sell mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.